In today's video, I'll be showing you how to insert a SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy A24. So first, make sure that you have a SIM ejector tool, and then what you want to do is to look for a small hole that opens up the SIM tray. So put the ejector tool inside the hole. And once it's inside, just press down gently and then remove the ejector tool and then drag the SIM tray out. You'll also notice that you'll be given instructions on how to insert your SIM card. You'll be told that when inserting a SIM card, make sure that the metal part is facing down when you're looking at the screen. So get your SIM tray and make sure that the metal part is facing down. So make sure it's facing down, and then like that, it's facing downwards towards the screen. And once it's facing down, what you want to do is insert it back into its hole. And once it's inserted, just push it in until it clicks. And then if your SIM card has a pin that it needs to be entered, you just enter in the pin. And once you've entered in the pin, to make sure that both SIM cards have been entered into your phone correctly, what you want to do is go to Settings, Connections, SIM Manager, and then here you should see SIM 1 and SIM 2, and you should notice that both of them have been turned on, showing that they've been enabled. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.